some of my woods in my backyard. Whenever we do paintballing or airsoft, I built this ditch for cover. It's pretty deep and decent. You just come right through here and look out there. So there's a guy coming right through here. In. And then snipe him. Another place we have airsoft wars and paintball wars is right here. The guy's coming right here. It's a great cover place. Or if you're right here, you can go out there. And then you can get in here. So you can have a crossfire that way or that way. Next, I'm going to go show you my fort. This is my trail. Here's another house over there. If we're having wars, I come in here. A storm damaged my fort. It's not as good as it used to be. But you can still snipe from up here, climb up on that, or hide in this brush over here with some camo pants. You're a deadly weapon. The greatest spot, I think, in airsoft wars or paintball would be right in here. If you got the perfect clothing, would be in here. Just get down in here. And then look up, see if there's anything around, get back down, you hear somebody coming, look up, look around, see stuff, nothing, then we go back down. Finish airsoft war. Okay. Here comes somebody. Oh, that hurt.